Hi, in this video I will talk to you about group bidding technology on iSnipe. I will discuss how to use it and what are the advantages of using it. At the end of the video, you should be able to use groups on iSnipe by full extent, which will help you manage your cars and save tons of time. Okay, let's dive into it. So a group on iSnipe is something similar to a folder which helps you organize and manage your cars. Most common use for the group is to organize one type of vehicle in one group. So let's go ahead and create a group for, say, Toyota Prius. To do this, simply click Add Group and name it after the car. Let's go ahead and go with Toyota Prius 2011. Here, some of you might have noticed that you need to choose the number of maximum possible won items in the group. It means that if you add, say, 10 or 15 cars to this group and set this number to 1, once the first car is won, system will no longer bid on upcoming cars in the group. This way you can add as many cars as you want with different max bids for each one if needed. Set the number to 1, so system will buy only one Prius. This also means that the more cars you add to this group, the chances of you winning one increases. So let's set this number to 1. So now let's quickly go through the process of adding cars to these groups. You simply copy the link of the car auction and paste it in the iSnipe link box. Here, choose the maximum price you are willing to pay for the car and choose the group accordingly. In this case, we're going to choose Toyota Prius 2011. Then just simply click Add Snipe. Let's do the same for the rest of the cars I've chosen and we should be good to go. Now let's check the group we created. As you can see, all the cars are added and you can edit the group properties by clicking this edit button. Here, you might notice that we're looking text at the bottom. This only concerns people who are buying cars for the other people and want to share the control of the group without sharing the account information. So if you do not want to share an access to this group to anyone, you can skip this part of the video. If you're creating this group for your client, your friend, or anyone other than yourself, iSnipe offers a group token feature. What this means is that you can give an access to this specific group to another person. Keep in mind that they will not be able to add cars to this group, nor access other groups or any kind of your account information. They will simply be able to change maximum bid they are willing to pay for cars in the group added by you and cancel bidding on auctions. Let's quickly check out this feature. To get this token, simply go to the group and next to the name, click the edit button. Then just simply copy the group token. Now in the login page, you will see the text sub login. Click it and paste the group token and log into the group. All of the cars that we added to this group are here. Also, as you can see, they do not have an access to anything but this specific group. Most importantly, this technology decreases your workload dramatically. If you had to sit through live auctions all day long, now all you have to do is choose the cars on Copart that you want to acquire and link them to iSnipe. Your valuable time can now be dedicated to business development or anything else you wish to. That's all for group bidding tutorial for today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will make sure to answer all of it. Subscribe to iSnipe channel for more information and tutorials. And as always, I will see you in the next video.